talk to somebody. You wanna know how long it's been? Like, so long to the point I can't even remember the last time I've actually met a person. It's just crazy. But I am very glad that I actually finally have some friends. Friends I know that can talk to me. And we can get together and have a wonderful time. Wouldn't you agree, my friend?
Must find some refuge. That place looks a great place to get out of the SandStorm.
Time, and might I say, it is a pleasure to finally meet you.
Where the hell are you, you crazy bastard?
Now, before meeting each other face to face, how about playing a little game? A game that I really enjoy. However, for some weird reason, not many people like to play my games. But since you're here and you're going to be stuck in my place for quite a bit of time, how about we play something, at least something fun, something enjoyable. What do you say?
Right now is no time for games. Are you insane or something?
No. I do not want to use the word insane or crazy or anything like that. Let's just say that I am addicted compared to everyone else. But let's not talk about this, okay? Yeah, I just hate it when people discuss about who I am, how they feel about me. So let's go ahead and play a game, kind of like tag, except a lot better. Once I see you, and my sights are on you, I pull the trigger, game over.
I'm not playing your little game, son. I'm finding my way out of here.
As you wish, then it will be your funeral, my friend. So, bye-bye.
Hey, well, computer, maybe I can call someone to get out of here. Anybody out there? Hello, anybody receiving this? Oh, great.
You know, this game really fucking boring right now. I expected you to come and find me. I supposed to. I didn't search for you and try to get you. I want you to come and find me. when I put my head up, all my supposed to do is walking about stuff like a poison. And so what? I'm going, okay? You're doing, and I'm going to. Alright? I'm going to end that little thing right now.
Son, do you really think I'm gonna fall for your games? You can try again another day, but I will not succeed.
No. I had high hopes for you. I was expecting so much. I was hoping you would have been a lot different from the others. But yet, dreams
Where the hell are you?
are made to be crushed. And my dream to find someone to play and to have fun is crushed yet again. I guess this is just it. A cycle that will just keep going and going and going. Did I ever tell you, though, the definition of insanity?